Welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Teamgate Action Automation for workflows. Once you're on your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Click on Install and then click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with the installation, reload the page and search for the custom page of the app and click on it. Then you're going to see this interface with all its necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the smart queue and the walkthrough configuration video that's going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up, no worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on Start Setup and you'll be required to enter an API key and an OAuth token. Let's head over to the account which we've created online. Click on your profile and click on Settings. Then you click on Additional Features and click on External Apps. Click on New API Key Requests and you give a sample name. Then you click on Create. Click on the sample and you copy the API key, click on Apply, head over to your account, and you paste. Scroll right to the sidebar, click on your profile and click on My Profile. Click on Integration, and then you click on API Access. Copy the token, switch back to your account, and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully set up and configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call with the support team. And as well, the change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and then you click on the subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.